Oh, Grayson, so big. How many months now?
7.
7.
It'll be 8 months. August 19th. Yeah. Look at me sweating in here. Even my knees sweat.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh my god. Always sweating.
Continue doing that. Oh, you look great.
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Twice a week. That's nice.
3 times.
3 times.
6 a.m.
Mm.
for an hour. I hate it.
No, it's good for you.
It is good.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, she looks great.
Do you want to stay here for the rest of the day?
Yeah, since you put
So,
water
what is this?
in.
It's a long time.
Huh? Isn't this one? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You gotta see peekaboo.